Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing some Deathrun. Woo! With Snowtech71 and Leo Z Gamer.
Right.
Woo!
Yeah, he's a deaf. And he's never played this before, I don't think.
You better not press it.
No! I'm
you
such
die?
a bum crack. Why did I go?
I killed somebody!
You killed me!
Woo!
Yay!
Yay!
My god, my strafes aren't working properly. They won't let me strafe.
Cool! Leo,
Yeah.
there's no point in hanging around there.
No! Oh!
I think I killed someone again.
No! Why do I keep flipping doing? Why is this part getting me out? This is an easy part.
Are you
There
raging like you did
Thank
in the
you.
world's hardest game?
Oh yeah, that was impossible.
To the left, to the left.
To the right, to the right.
This game is so laggy.
I know.
Not that laggy.
For him it is, he has a poop computer. No.
Hang on, I'm going to stop and do my...
Who was that?
That was me who died. Who jumped in the water, yeah. No, why don't you just try to speed? Players finish.
Come on.
I'm doing so bad this Deathrun.
Yes, avoided that. Avoided that. Come on. Yes, I second.
You came second. I've done so bad this game.
Second, yes. Get in there. Enchanted crystal in the house. Come on, that's another podium. And let's see me on the podium. So I'll cut ahead in the video till I'm on the podium. So yeah, see you in a second. Yeah, so I was on the podium. And
Oh,
then
no,
Target
no.
771 went and came third.
Even
If only Leo Z Gamer was a runner and he decided
Free.
what? Okay, I'll cut ahead and you guys will,
Biscuits.
we're back. And we're all runners, I think.
Yeah. Biscuits. Oh, I didn't fall for it.
We're a pair.
Did you die to that?
Yeah.
Oh, I paced it. No!
Oh my gosh, I've absolutely died. Anyway, guys, I'll cut ahead into the next video. I mean.
Oh, John, have you lost your 2 lives?
Yeah.
No! I was in the... No!
Oh, Snow Tiger 771 hasn't won.
Are you still recording?
No, I just started recording again. Because it was funny when you were in your rage.
Oh, no, that is on red. No! It's turned yellow, and now it's going to turn green.
Not for the giant.
I'm going to get second, aren't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, I came
Woo,
second.
second.
I was going to come first as well.
Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next episode. So yeah.
I'm
So
meant
yeah, guys, I couldn't do another one because I've got to go and do something. So I'll see you in the next episode. Bye. Tazar, whatever you want to say. Bye.